In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default search engine in LibreWolf, customize search settings, and even add your own search engine to the list. To get started, open the application menu by clicking the three lines in the top right corner of the browser window, then select Settings. Next, click Search in the left side menu. At the top of this page, you'll find the default search engine setting. Simply open the drop-down menu and select the search engine you'd like LibreWolf to use whenever you search from the address bar. LibreWolf comes with several search engines already available, including DuckDuckGo, Startpage, Wikipedia, and others, so you can choose whichever option best fits your needs. Just below that, you may see an option called Use a different default search engine in private windows. If this setting is enabled, you can select a separate search engine that will only be used while browsing in private windows. You'll also find settings for search suggestions. These can be enabled or disabled separately for regular browsing in private windows, depending on your preferences. Now let's look at how to add a custom search engine. For this example, I'll use Brave Search. First, visit the Brave Search website and perform any search. Once the results page loads, copy the URL from the address bar. Now return to LibreWolf's search settings and scroll down to the Search Shortcuts section. Click Add to create a new search engine entry. Enter a name for the search engine, such as Brave Search. Then paste the URL you copied earlier into the appropriate field. In that URL, replace the search term you used with %S. This placeholder tells LibreWolf where to insert future search queries when using that search engine. After that, click Add Engine. Your custom search engine will now appear in the list and can be selected as your default search engine just like any of the built-in options. One final tip. You can also switch search engines directly from the address bar whenever you're performing a search. This is useful if you occasionally want to use a different search engine without changing your default settings. Keep in mind that this only affects the current search and does not permanently change your default search engine. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other LibreWolf tutorials for more tips, settings guides, and browser customization tutorials. Thanks for watching.